Warm greetings to all. As a business model Canva, I chose to analyze the business strategy of the greatest platform. It's called that is Reddit. Everyone knows so what is the Reddit, and then the purpose of the Reddit also. So it is also it's kind of social platform. So like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other thing. But the Reddit persons, they are having the little bit higher IQ. So if you are sorting out the social media platforms based on the users IQ, so Reddit has got the top priority rather than Facebook or Twitter or the LinkedIn. So that's the most speciality because most users are from techies. So it's having its own real IQ level. So this is the platform that's quietly shaping the products launches and then brand strategies and market intelligence and for the business also. So it's having the true value of the proposition. This is for more than that social media platform. It has the structured ecosystem of the passionate and the topic focused the communities where unfiltered opinions and drive real decisions. And it's having almost 100K plus of active communities, Nikki's industries and interest imaginable, and also 700 million plus active users. They are using the platform of Reddit, and it's having the globally diverse audience that's engaging daily with the high intent content, and it's having the real-time pulse, that is the unmatched access to live consumer sentiment trends and unmet needs. So how that Reddit is having the such kind of strategy and it's a business model. So this is not purely focused on groups or surveys. Reddit delivers that raw, spontaneous consumer feedback at scale. So these conversations that's always happen, whether or not brands are listening. The strategic advantage belongs to those who are having the like-minded interest. Main, it's having the three authenticity parameters. That's number one is called AMA session, that is ask me anything, and that's a threat surface. The question your customers are actually afraid to ask through official channels, but here we can able to be asked that. And then subreddit discussions, that is raw unprompted feedback on products, services and brands, unfiltered by PR teams or brand management. So this is what customers truly think. And trend spotting. So the Reddit surfaces emerging consumer desires and pain points weeks or months before they appear in mainstream media. So giving early movers a decisive competitive edges. And in Novatech, so this is one case study, winning with the Reddit first strategy. So the Novatech, a fictional AI productivity startup, needed to launch a new tool with a limited budget for traditional market research. They had a product, but no clear picture of what their target users truly needed. So on Reddit strategy, engaged authentically in Reddit artificial intelligence and productivity, conducted targeted polls and open Q&A sessions with early users, and monitored competitor mentions and feature request threats. So the outcome, the Reddit intelligence revealed a critical missing feature that no competitor offered. So Novatech pivoted development priorities based on this community feedback decision. No internal brainstorm had surfaced. So it's having the higher adaptation, and now it's first quarter, and it implements zero extra budget in order to these things. So we are ready to strategic map. So when we are doing there is a branding. So in terms of finance, lifestyle, gaming, science, business, and technology, and also it's having that community engagement. Also, it's having like active participation, community building, and brand advocacy. So thank you very much for watching this BMC of previous month. Thank you.